Just remember that 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians, and when you know that, it's easy to convert, in this case from degrees into radians. So before I begin, I'm just going to write down at the top of the page that 360 degrees, the number of degrees in a circle, is equal to 2 pi radians. Okay, the first one, 90 degrees. Well, if we know that's equal to 2 pi radians, we know of course that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, and that means 90 degrees must be equal to pi over 2 radians. Now that answer might be fine if you're in the mathematics classroom, but what we tend to do in physics is, because we're often using real data, we tend to give our answer as a number, maybe with a decimal point or in standard form, rather than as a fraction like that. So what I'm going to do is just look at pi divided by 2, which is equal to 1.57, but we need to give this to one decimal place, so in this example, this is just going to be equal to 1.6 radians. And there we go. So we're not going to give our answers as a fraction or, pi over 2 or 2 pi. We're going to give it as an actual number. Of course, if that's 90 degrees and we want to work out 45, we can just take that number and divide it by 2 again. And now 45 degrees, which is the same as pi over 4 radians, that's just equal to 0.78, which is 0.8 radians. Okay, the next one, 57. Well, I've remembered that 1 radian is about 57.3 degrees, so I expect my answer to be somewhere equal to 1. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this number in degrees and we're going to multiply it by our conversion factor, which is equal to 2 pi over 360, based on the information we have up here. So all I need to do is I need to take my angle, multiply it by 2 pi, so 57 degrees, multiply that by 2 pi, and then divide by 360 to get 0.9948, which I guess to one decimal place would be equal to 1.0 radians, the kind of number I expected. We're going to do the same again for this one. We could do it actually in two ways. We could either do 30 times our conversion factor, so 2 pi over 360, or of course we could also do it as this being equal to 180 divided by 6. So this would also be equal to pi over 6 radians, okay? Which I guess if we've got 2 pi over 360, that's the same as pi over 180, and then we've got 30 over 180, which is just a sixth. So either way, we can get to the same answer. Probably the quickest way is just to do pi divided by 6, which is equal to 0.5 radians. And then finally, 196 degrees multiplied by 2 pi divided by 360 is equal to 3.4 radians. Okay, so to convert from degrees to radians, all you need to do is multiply by 2 pi, divide by 360, that's your conversion factor, and these are the answers in radians. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of the mini course, which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.